Hello, I'm CJ Ian. This is our quick video to show how to make text taller in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File to create a new document. I will use this preset and create a new document. Next, I press Ctrl 0 to view it, and then we can go to left toolbar. We can find horizontal type tool. Choose it and click on Artboard, and we can start to type. I type taller. And then we can make a selection, and also we can double click to go to the character setting. We can go to top option bar. We can change the font type. I will choose Impact Regular, and then we can increase the font size. I will use 300. This is quite small, so I change to Move to and click and drag the corner to enlarge it. I press Shift to scale up it in proportion. Now I move it to middle and press Enter to apply it. Next, we can go to Layers window. We can find Text Layer. Make sure that we select Text Layer and then go to Type and just convert to Shape. So we can find that the text layer is converted to shape layer. Now we can see there are points and line. We can go to pen tool and select convert points tool, and we can select the points, and we can press Ctrl and click and drag to move the points. I use Shift to make sure that we move down, and then we can release mouse button to apply it. Actually, we can use arrow key to move upwards, and we can move downwards. If you want to make a fine adjustment, we can select some of the points, and then we can move it. Oops, sorry, I press Ctrl and move it to here. So this is how we can make text taller in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to the channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Ian. See you in the next video.